Good morning students. Today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 2 components of food. First is start the definition of this chapter. First is energy giving food. Energy giving food. Foods containing fats and carbohydrates. Foods containing fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Food containing fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Next, balanced diet. A diet that has all the nutrients that a nutrition is called a balanced diet. A diet that has all the nutrients that our body needs in adequate quantities and from which our body gets complete nutrition is called a balanced diet. Okay, now start the choose the correct option. First is which of the following is not a main component of our food. Which of the following is not a main component of our food? Answer is water is not a main component of our food. Which of the following is not a main component of our food? Water is not a main component of our food. Next, which of the following food provides maximum carbohydrates? Which of the following food provides maximum carbohydrates? Rice provides maximum carbohydrates. Rice provide maximum carbohydrates. Next, which of the following is considered as a complete food? Which of the following is considered as a complete food? Which of the following is considered as a complete food? Milk. Milk is considered as a complete food. Next, deficiency of which vitamin results in loss of vision and night blindness? Deficiency of which vitamin results in loss of vision and night blindness? Answer is next, which mineral is necessary for healthy bones? Which mineral is necessary for healthy bones? Calcium. Which minerals is necessary for healthy bones? Calcium. Next, which part of the body gets affected by rickets? Which part of the body gets affected by rickets? Bones. Bones affected by rickets. Next, deficiency of which mineral result in anemia? Deficiency of which mineral result in anemia? Answer is iron. Next, filling the blanks. First is dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin B. Rickets. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Next, deficiency of dash cause a disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of dash cause a disease known as a beriberi. Vitamin B. Vitamin B. Deficiency of vitamin C cause a disease known as dash. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Known as scurvy. Next, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash. Vitamin A, due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Next, amla is a good source of vitamin dash. Amla is a good source of vitamin C. Amla is a good source of vitamin C. Next, dash helps in protecting our body against diseases. Dash helps in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Next, true or false? Iodine solution is yellow in color. It's a true. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. It's also true. So, some fruits contain vitamin B. It's false. Some fruits contain vitamin B. It's false. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. It's false. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. It's a true. Now start match the molecules. First is vitamin A. विटामिन ए को किसके साथ मैच करते हैं? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस के साथ. नेक्स्ट विटामिन बी. विटामिन बी को हम बेरी के साथ मैच करेंगे. विटामिन सी को हम स्कर्वी के साथ मैच करते हैं. रिकेट्स के साथ. ओके. विटामिन ए नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, विटामिन बी बेरी, विटामिन सी स्कर्वी and vitamin D rickets. Okay. Now one sentence answer. What are the major nutrients found in our body? Found in our food. What are the major nutrients found in our food? The major nutrients found in our food are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. The major nutrients found in our food are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Next, what is the color of copper sulfate solution? What is the color of copper sulfate solution? Copper sulfate solution is blue in color. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color. And third question is, what color does starch give when mixed with the solution of iodine? What color does starch give when mixed with the solution of iodine? Starch when mixed with the dilute iodine solution turns blue-black. Starch when mixed with dilute iodine solution turns blue-black. Next, which food items provide us with dietary fiber? Grains, pulses, fresh fruits and vegetables provide us with dietary fibers. What do you mean by deficiency diseases? Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients in our body over a long period. Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients in our body over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Next, which nutrients present in food can be easily tested? Which nutrients present in food can be easily tested? Carbohydrates, proteins and the fats in food can be easily tested. Carbohydrates, protein and fats in food can be easily tested. Next, what are the nutrients that our body requires in small amount? What are the nutrients that our body requires in small amounts? Minerals and the vitamins are required in small amounts in our food. minerals and the vitamins are required in small amount in our food. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने वन सेंटेंस, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, मैच, डेफिनेशन को कवर अप करा है. नेक्स्ट हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे.